the newest on the market. It is very, very glueless. There is no glue on this unit whatsoever. It lays very flat. This style is definitely gonna give more of a realistic look, guys. Whenever you see me step up into the screen with a blue robe like this, you already know that today's gonna be an Ashimaryhair review, guys. So they went ahead and sent me their new Avisa Strap 360 lace front wig, guys. Now this wig you can go ahead and wear in a ponytail, you could wear it straight down, you could do a bun, you could do multi-styles with this one, guys. So this is their new cap construction, which is super awesome. So they did go ahead and send me the wig in this box. Obviously I took the robe out already and put the robe on because I love when I get these robes. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this with you guys today. I wanna let you guys know, if you guys go ahead and purchase under my link today and buy the same exact unit, you guys will get almost $100 worth of free gifts. Really nice stuff. Anything you need, basically everything you need to install your unit minus like the adhesive. You probably don't really need adhesive for this one, but I'm gonna go ahead and do a full install today for you guys. But like I said, this is their new Insta cap. And this cap is actually really, really nice. Now they have this little Insta strap right here, which is kind of like a little bit of a, kind of like a plastic Velcro. You're supposed to go ahead and pull this one to make it super secure. Now this is lined all the way back through, guys. So, oh my God, I didn't even realize that. That's actually dope AF. So basically, instead of having like the comb and stuff in the back, you have that Insta strap that's actually all the way through the back of the 360 that you just pull to make it tight in the back. So it's easy for you to wear ponytails and stuff like that. So this is actually really, really cute, guys, and really, really cool. So it's a real 13x6. So you get that full cap in the front here. Look how deep that parting space is. It's like a really, really full cap. And then you get the whole back as well too with the lace. And you actually get a comb back there as well too, so you can actually scoop back there and make it really secure, and just go ahead and adjust it right here on the ear tab area. So I do like this one. It is pre-cut, guys, which is awesome, so you don't have to cut it. I did go ahead and pick up some melting spray, some lace tinting spray. I got this in the dark brown color. So I'm gonna use this around the whole entire 360 just so that it's easy for me to install. And I'm probably gonna do some baby hair. This is 26 inches long, guys. It's a water wave texture. Very, very pretty texture, by the way, too. Very, very nice. So I'm super excited for this one. I don't think I'm gonna glue this one down. I think I'm just going to fix the baby hairs up and make sure that it's super secure. It does come with an adjustable strap as well too, so for extra security purposes I would just tighten this up real well and then just use it instead of gluing it down. So I am going to go ahead and do baby hairs around the perimeter to just give it like a little bit of a, you know, because it is a wavy texture, and to give it a little razzle dazzle. But I'm not going to do too much, but I'm going to do some baby hair on here and we're going to go ahead and put it on and see how it fits. That's number one, honey. But very, very nice, guys. I love the new design. That makes a lot of sense. Like something different. And look at the back. It's just gonna bunch up and you won't see anything. Look at the lace in the back. You won't see anything in the... It's the strap. The newest on the market. All right, y'all. So I have to do a little close up on here so you guys can actually see this in real time and real clear. Straight off the bat, just adjusting the strap on this unit has definitely created a secure unit. Like, it's already pre-cut, so you already don't have to do anything. And they already pre-tweezed the front of it. I did go ahead and spray the powder on so you guys can see it in the parting space. I feel like the wig looks actually really nice going straight back like that instead of doing like a part or anything. I feel like the straight back look looks nice if I just slick it all the way back. I think it would look really, really nice like that. Just like really slick this back. You guys can see on the edges right here, it kind of falls really nicely. If I want to go ahead and do some baby hairs on the side, I can, but I don't think I'm going to do that with this. I'm not going to do any sideburns, but I am going to do a baby hair swig on both of these sides right here to keep it kind of balanced. If I want to, I could do a middle part, but I don't know why I like the way it looks like this. Like it's naturally folding back that way, so I feel like I could do something cuter, more natural that way, since everything, like the hairline itself falls down. Like look at that, guys. No glue whatsoever. So let me go and clip this up because I want to show you guys the back, and I also want to show you guys the little clips on the little Insta straps on the side, clip straps. So this is it right here. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust this one on this side. It's pretty secure in the back. I did go ahead and push the comb in the back as well too, just to make sure that it was super secure. But this fits very nice. I'm just gonna go ahead and tuck it underneath the wig once I'm done with it so that it's not in the way. All right, y'all, so I can't really see the back, so I'm gonna do my best from where I'm at because I'm convinced it's looking decent in the back. So this is the comb right here. You guys can see the lace right here. It's very nice. So you want to kind of make sure you kind of rest it. If you want to go ahead and glue this down, you can. It's a good amount of, you know, lace to just like really glue it down nicely if you want to, but I'm not, because I'm not necessarily needing for that. I'm still going to show you guys how to finagle a cute little hairstyle without doing that extra stuff. There is a little baby hair in the back that you can go ahead and pull out. So therefore it lays flat. Like it lays pretty flat. You guys can see on the both sides. It's really nice and simple. Keep it straight to the point. You can go ahead and do a ponytail or whatever. But I'm gonna work on the front, guys, and I'm gonna show you guys a couple of up style. Alright y'all, so I'm just going to snip off a little bit of the extra lace that's in the front area. They did a really good job pre-cutting this, but I always go ahead and cut like a little bit extra off just to make the hairline look more seamless and stuff like that. But it looks really good. They did a really good job on this one. As far as the sideburn, I don't think I'm going to do any types of sideburn baby hairs, just because I like how it naturally lays. I didn't even have to cut the size of this wig down. Like I just left it the way it was. I might do maybe like one or two, like one little swig, just like really natural ones, because I don't want it to be too much. I think I'm gonna go with the straight look back. I'm gonna put some mousse in and some product and see what that gives. But I'm gonna do like a nice little swig right here, and then look at the hair. I might do a nice little swig right here and a nice little swig right here. I think that would be good. They did a really good job plucking this wig as well too. Very nice. Very nice job plucking. Like that looks really good. So I'm gonna do one about right here, not too big, but then I feel like I need that little part, right? You know, you like need that little extra part. So it looks something like that. And then I hate when the hair gets on my lip gloss. It's just giving all the vibes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this again because they pre-plucked this one very nice, like really nice. And that part right there. So I'm gonna do baby hairs just basically on two. I actually feel like I should pull this one up a little bit higher. Right here, perfect. Because you guys didn't see how they tweeze it right there. They tweeze it to perfection. So that's like the perfect spot for like a baby hair right here. So I'm gonna do this side right here. Before I'm gonna spray it though, because I want it to stay in place and I want this hair right here to stay away. So I spray against it, just to make sure that this one stays where I need it to stay while the other hair chills. And the same thing on this side. I'll decide whether I'm gonna add some more, but I feel like for now I'm gonna just do the baby hair. And you guys can see that I'm spraying the hair, not the lace, to melt it down. I'm literally just spraying the hair so it can stay like separated, so you can kind of see that. You feel me? I actually might have to pull this one up too. I feel like right here would have been nice too. Right there. Let's just switch that up a little bit. So I keep switching angles on you guys, but I feel like you guys need to be up top here because the hair's not down, so you need to be down here. So yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut some of this hair. I'm not gonna make it too. Every time I never cut these right. I literally never cut it right. I'll just be trying every single time, hoping that God is gonna be with me when I cut baby hairs, but whatever. I got this little flat iron, which is super cute. I'll leave a link down below for you guys. Super cute. I see all the girls using it for their baby hairs. So I wanted to go ahead and try it instead of using my bigger tool. The bigger tool is just too clunky for the baby hairs. So go ahead and give it a little curl and a twist. There we go. On both sides. This doesn't even warm up that much. It warms up good enough to do what I need to do. So we're just trying to give this wig a little baby hair flex. So what I'm gonna do is spray some of my even on the back of the brush, the baby hair brush. Not the back, on the brush itself. There's so much hair on there, Jesus. That's how you know I'm doing wig reviews. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of, you know, curl it in. Even though this is gonna be glueless unit, you still wanna, you know, formulate your baby hairs. Let them kind of like rest in their position. And I don't even need it to be like plastered on, I just need it to have that little rotation. So just that little flick. And then same for this side as well too. It just gives it more of a natural look instead of it just being like plastered down. Like, I feel like with the plastered down styles, this looks better with like wet styles, but I'm not gonna make this too wet, so I just need it to give me like a little bit of a oomph to it. So like that, I think that looks cute, simple, not doing too much. And like I said, I'm not gonna do the baby hairs at the sideburn, just because I want this to look like a natural flow through wig, like a natural wig. Y'all know what I mean, right? I think we're all on the same page on this channel over here, right? We are definitely all on the same page. My laptop's making an appearance, sorry guys. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab my hot comb and I'm going to base these edges up to make it look nice, sleek. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and press against the hairline because I want the hairline to lay kind of flat and sleek, especially in the front area right here. I decided not to do the middle part. I wanted to just do a free part so that I can see the potential of it, because it just lays so nicely like this. It's like the company sent the wig just like this, and I feel like, why put a part in it when it's already so cute and perfect? So I'm just kind of, you know, making the hairline look nice. The sides, I'm probably just gonna pull like a little bit of hair out on the sides just to kind of make it look cute. Nothing crazy, maybe not, but I'm just gonna set the barrier for it. Yeah, like I'm keeping it like kind of simple and cute, not doing too much. So that's all I would really do for this one. And again, it is a glueless wig. My combs. So even all the way through where I sprayed it as glueless. So I do like it a lot. I think it looks really, really good. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Argan Oil Moroccan Style and Shine Foaming Mousse. Now I'm gonna use this one instead of wetting the hair down because the curls are still very nice. It just needs like a little activation. I'm mainly focusing this on the front so I can get the front to give me like a little bit of a wave, or just give me like a little bit of something that will give it that sleek effect. And I'm gonna let this dry through because you want to break the cast once it dries through, and then I'll give you like a nice kind of like formed curl type of look. So I'm gonna freely like let the front do what it wants, but I want to get it kind of nice and pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and put mousse on the rest of the hair because the rest of the hair is fresh out the pack, and it's very, very gorgeous water wave, like pretty water wave, like very pretty water wave. So we're gonna go ahead and just get it nice and defined basically, and then that's gonna carry on the style. And you guys can see, all right, look at that. Without even doing a lot of mess, look at how pretty this unit looks like. I feel like without creating a part, this cap construction, the 360 cap, you don't need to part it. It'll just give like a really, like, look at that parting space up there. Like you could just see it peeking through. It doesn't have to be a real part. Y'all see that? Perfectly bleached, very pretty unit. And I'm not even really parting it. I'm just kind of letting the wig do what it wants. So I can flip it on each side and do whatever I want with it. See what I mean? So I think it's better if you get this wig, just leave it just like this and apply mousse on it and let it dry, and then the hair would kind of formulate this style. I think this style is definitely what I'm going for. I feel like this is gonna give kind of like more of a realistic. This style is definitely gonna give more of a realistic look, guys, and very natural. And the best part is the wig is not even glued down. That's the best part about this that I love. We're not gluing down wigs in 2024. It just be doing too much. It really just be doing too much. So go ahead and saturate this up. I'm gonna let the hair air dry for maybe like 30 minutes, and then we're gonna come and do some styling. But I can already tell you guys, I absolutely love this unit. Like, and I love the fact, again, it is glueless, so we're not gluing nothing. Like, it's just gonna be, ooh, child, you see that? Like I said, you guys see how right here, you just apply the mousse and let it create its own parts naturally instead of forcing parts and stuff like that. And you know, just let it make its own natural parts. And when you do it that way, you could wear the hair like a flipped over method without doing too much. And you guys can see, baby hairs are nice. Didn't do any sideburns, but it's really hidden so you can't see anything. So it looks really natural. I'm in love, honey. Y'all see these? Y'all see these curls, baby? Do y'all see these curls, honey? Come on. Like it's me. Alright guys, so this is what the hair looks like once it's air dry. Very pretty. Now obviously, like I said, it's kind of like a flip over, or kind of like a natural part. Obviously you can see a little bit of the parting space right here, but I did it, you know, factor it that way. So I'm just basically showing you guys how you can just flip it to both sides. I'm usually someone that likes her parts going this way, but for some reason it just falls better going this way. So looks very cute, guys. Very natural. The curl pattern on this hair is absolutely gorgeous. This water wave is very pretty, guys. Let me go ahead and show you again. It is a glueless unit, and the unit fits my head to the T, guys. A little baby hair, a little razzle dazzle, and you're good to go. You don't have to add any glue or spray to this unit, guys. It's a ready to go style unit. I honestly and truly think I would wear it like this. I think like this is just giving like a really like natural look, and the fact that the curls look so nice. Like, look at that pattern. Look at that curly, juicy, pretty pattern. I just feel like it looks very pretty. I don't know, I think I like it like this. If you guys want to go ahead and do a part, I think a part would be cool, but I felt like because the hair is a water wave texture, I didn't want the part to be too realistic looking, so I feel like it looks better like this. It just looks natural, and it looks like I just kind of shook my hair and went. If you want to, you can go ahead and do kind of like a half up and half down style with this unit as well, just because the front is not doing too much. I didn't do too many baby hairs, I didn't do too much mess, so just like a cute little hairstyle would be cute as well too. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this into a bun for you guys so you guys can see the back at a 360 angle. I'm gonna just bun it because it's a lot of hair, and I feel like with this length I probably want to do like a messy bun, something fun. So let me go ahead and pull this up. Obviously, I'm gonna have to go ahead and kind of hide this back hair, obviously the strap, and pull a little bit of the sides to close up. Other than that, the wig is pretty. So let me go ahead and lift this hair up and show you guys what it looks like around the perimeter. Alright guys, so I did go ahead and put the hair up into a bun, kind of up this little curl here because I think it's super cute. I usually like to put that on like a little curve look or whatever, just to give it like a little bit of a style. I absolutely love this hair, guys, the texture and everything, and I love the fact that you could do multiple styles with this one, which is really cute. So you could either wear this one in like a ponytail or you could do like a bun. For me, I would probably more so go towards the bun because I think that this new method that they have is pretty solid, guys. I would like to mention, make sure you really use those straps, those little instant straps, and pull it so that you can get it nice and secure. It buckles the lace in the back so it kind of scoops the wig up and still makes it look really seamless. So I will turn around and show you guys the back. I absolutely think that this came out really cute, guys. I will do a 360 turn. One last thing I'm gonna do is I actually, because I didn't do sideburn hairs on this unit and I'm basically tucking it in for the pony, I just pulled out a little bit of my own natural sideburn hair. So I'm just gonna go in and do it with a little bit of edge control. I never do this, but I decided, you know, why not? Sometimes the ear tabs just don't work out, so I'm just, you know, stepping into the utilizing my natural hair to do like cute little baby hairs and stuff like that. So I decided to go ahead and show you guys that today. I usually do this, so I do like a natural hairstyle, but I figured it'll be fine for this type of style as well too. So I'm gonna just put a little bit of edge control on my little baby here, and just do like a little design just to kind of go with the wig, just to make sure like everything looks cute and put together, especially with a high bun look. You want to do like a little razzle on the high bun look. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swig a little bit of my natural sideburns just to make this look really cute and put together. And then that's basically gonna wrap it up for this hair video today. Shout out to Ashimaryhair, guys. This is a really nice unit. I feel like this came out really cute, very simple, and again, this unit is glueless. There is no glue on this unit whatsoever. So this unit is everything you need, guys. It's a 360 unit. You can wear it in multiple styles. Very nice, guys, very simple. And again, like I mentioned, the unit is very glueless. There is no glue on this unit whatsoever. It lays very flat. This new method that they have is excellent. I think it's definitely something to look out for or look into for 2024, especially because you guys know glues and adhesives are not really that popular anymore, and a lot of people are moving towards more natural hairstyles that don't require that much work. This was a same day install video, guys. You guys know how I do it, so straight to the point. Hopefully you guys like this install today, and don't forget, if you go ahead and shop the link for this exact unit, guys, length and all that kind of stuff, you will go ahead and get $100 worth of gifts from Ashimaryhair, guys. So definitely make sure you go ahead and shop my link. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.